There's a scene in Gump where Forrest is running from a group of young neighborhood bullies, and Forrest has braces on. He's not very good at running. And like in a nightmare, there's no way that he can run fast enough to get away from these bullies who are on their bicycles. And so just like in a nightmare, things begin to slow down for him. And though he tries to run faster, he actually feels like he's running slower. And so Bob Zemeckis decided to slow down the visual imagery there, to go into slow motion. And so we see the bicycle wheels of the bullies that are chasing him going slower. And that is a great opportunity for sound, because anytime that you're in that kind of subjective point of view space emotionally and dramatically, it gives us, the sound people, a lot of latitude to play with the sound and to really use the sound the way you would use music. And so we can then slow down the wheels turning of the bicycle, but not only slow them down, we can focus on very specific sounds related to the bicycle in a way that wouldn't have made any sense if we were looking at the bicycles going at normal speed. So we put playing cards on so that they would drag across the spokes of a bicycle, and recorded that in slower and slower motion. We made very, very close-up recordings of the chain on the bicycles so that we could focus on that sound if we wanted to. And that's exactly what we do in that sequence. You hear a kind of microscopic version, in a way, of these bicycles that are chasing Forrest. And the same thing is done with the sound of his braces as he's running, and especially as the braces begin to fall apart and fly all over the place.